Hello everyone.
In the lead up to the general elections in May, the Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa finds itself embroiled in a contentious legal battle between the ANC and the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. The dispute, which centers on the identification and registration of the newly formed party, has escalated into a complex legal tussle with implications for the integrity of the electoral process. The conflict lies in perceived similarities between the MK party's identification and that of the ANC's Umkhonto we Sizwe, the former military wing that Nelson Mandela founded in 1961. It has been argued that the MK party's logo and colors closely resemble those of the ANC's military wing. The ANC has taken a firm stance against the MK party's registration, challenging its legitimacy through legal channels. The government party contends that allowing the MK party to operate under its current registration status would undermine the electoral system's integrity. Furthermore, it alleges procedural irregularities, asserting that the MK party's failure to properly publish its registration intentions deprived other stakeholders of their right to object. The ANC has also raised concerns over the potential for vote confusion, citing the resemblance between the MK party's logo and that of Umkhonto we Sizwe party. The governing party accused the MK party of appropriating its history and assets, and the matter is back in court in March. During a media briefing on Monday, IEC Vice Chairperson Janet Love addressed inquiries regarding the controversy surrounding the MK party's registration. Janet emphasized that the matter is currently under sub judice as it's being adjudicated in the High Court. She underscored that the Commission's role in the dispute is limited as judicial proceedings are underway, and said the issue of the name and the arbitration is not something that the Commission is cited in and is a matter that is in High Court. It is not something that we can control. With regards to the actual procedure that the Commission adopted in the registration of the MK party, that matter is also before the court, and we believe that it will be finalized in due course. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.